Hi everyone, I'm Alex here. I'm responsible for the mechanical design and system integration of Asimov. Just wanted to share a little bit of the updates that we've been working on. Since we're ramping up to production and preparing Asimov to deliver to everyone, we decided to do a test and we order more Asimov and more parts for us to evaluate certain aspects. So yeah, I'll just show you. One example here is this is one of the covers for Asimov. This is also a 3D printed part, but we would like to explore different finishes. So in this case, this is a glossy finish. We're still not sure about the color. Most likely it will change a little bit, but those are the parts that we are actually validating in this case. There are other examples that I have here. So we're also getting more parts and more motors to start doing some wiring. This helps us a lot to actually get the right lengths of the wire and how we actually should wire actuators together. And all of this is being recorded in a manual. So we have people right now that is working on it. So we will include the type of cable you need, the length, the amount, and how actually it's going to be wired up together, right? So we actually not putting the whole robot because we just want to get the individual pieces and take pictures and measure, analyze it very, very well. Other thing that is very important when we are having 3D printed parts or CNC or any type of part is you need to validate the fit of it. So we got different parts, SLS and MJF and different colors for us to actually see how do they deviate. Something we notice is that depending on the orientation of the SLS, some of the parts get a small shrinkage, and therefore some of the aluminum parts that are supposed to fit inside don't fit that well. So these are the things that we're noticing, and we're gonna write it down and account for it in the future. So whenever you get a part from us, it's gonna be perfect fit and very seamless assembly. Here is another example, in this case with the motors. So we are actually in discussions with the manufacturers so they can do a fit test. So we will send them mock-up actuators, basically the motor that we use, but without anything inside, basically non-functional actuator. So they can actually do the fit test and make sure that the parts that they're making can actually fit where the actuator is supposed to be, right? So this is another example that we're just working on. Yep, so that's pretty much it. This is basically how it looks like. We already designed it, we tested, we are in the production side, and then pretty much next is validation. After that step is completed, we are ready to ship.